Hi everyone, welcome to back the channel. Auto Rush. The battlefield is evolving, and with it, so are the machines that dominate it. Enter the 2025 CyberTitan Tank, a war machine that marks a bold new chapter in armored warfare. No longer a mere metal beast of brute force, the CyberTitan is the convergence of AI, autonomous systems, quantum computing, next-gen armor tech, and advanced weaponry, all housed in a futuristic design that looks straight out of a sci-fi film, yet it's very real and very deadly. Developed as a joint venture between top military tech firms and defense ministries in a classified program known as Project Aegis Edge, the CyberTitan was designed to completely redefine armored supremacy on 21st-century battlefields. The philosophy behind the CyberTitan isn't just to resist destruction, it's to outthink, outmaneuver, and outgun any threat before it even gets close. So what makes the 2025 CyberTitan tank so revolutionary? Let's begin with its most iconic trait, the fully adaptive exo-armor. This isn't just slabs of steel or reactive tiles. The CyberTitan's exterior is layered with a smart metamaterial skin composed of nanocrystalline tungsten composite and graphene-infused ceramic. This means that the armor can literally adapt its molecular structure based on the type of incoming threat. Whether it's a kinetic rod, tandem charge warhead, or high-energy laser, the CyberTitan's skin morphs to either absorb, redirect, or disperse the impact, making it virtually impervious to most modern anti-tank weapons. At the core of this mechanical beast lies an AI-integrated command module, powered by a next-generation quantum neural processor called Sentinel-X. Unlike traditional AI that simply processes battlefield data, Sentinel-X can predict enemy maneuvers using probabilistic modeling and machine learning algorithms trained on over 100 years of combat scenarios. In real time, it can detect, assess, and engage threats across multiple vectors, even before the enemy has fully revealed its position. The driver, optional. That's right, the CyberTitan is fully autonomous, but not just in movement. It can conduct coordinated attacks, reposition based on terrain analytics, provide support to infantry using real-time satellite imaging, and communicate with allied drones and air support autonomously through encrypted military-grade 6G networks. Of course, it still includes crew override functionality, allowing a human commander, gunner, and systems analyst to take control if necessary. Let's talk power. Traditional tanks run on diesel or hybrid gas turbines. The CyberTitan, it runs on a liquid-cooled thorium microreactor, a compact nuclear energy system that gives it nearly unlimited operational range and power efficiency. That's how it drives its entire system of electric treads, onboard railgun, directed energy weapons, and stealth systems. This mini-reactor also allows the CyberTitan to power field operations, charge nearby electric equipment, or act as a mobile base in deep combat zones. Speaking of stealth, yes, this is a stealth tank. Thanks to its metamaterial skin and quantum cloaking array, the CyberTitan can reduce its radar and thermal signature to near zero. This technology bends radar waves around the tank, making it almost invisible on most detection systems. Add to that the chameleon-like skin that can change color and texture to match its environment, and you have a ghost tank that can sneak into enemy territory undetected. Let's dive into armament. The primary cannon is no longer ballistic. The CyberTitan is equipped with a 120mm hybrid electromagnetic railgun, capable of firing hypervelocity rounds at Mach 7. These rounds can penetrate reinforced bunkers, enemy armor, or underground facilities with pinpoint precision. Thanks to electromagnetic propulsion, there's no explosive propellant, meaning more ammo can be stored onboard and every shot leaves behind zero chemical trace. But that's just the beginning. It also includes a multi-layered weapon suite, consisting of a high-energy laser turret capable of disabling drones and missiles mid-air, an autonomous drone launch bay for reconnaissance and kamikaze missions, and 360-degree micro-turret arrays that fire smart flechettes at incoming infantry, soft targets, or UAVs. Onboard missile silos house both kinetic and EU electronic warfare missiles, capable of disrupting enemy command signals and radar systems. Defensive systems. Top tier. The Skyveil APS active protection system uses a dome of electromagnetic sensors and micro-missile interceptors to destroy incoming threats before they ever reach the hull. It can intercept Javelin-style top-attack missiles, RPGs, and even artillery shells. Combined with soft kill systems that blind and confuse laser-guided munitions, the CyberTitan is nearly impossible to neutralize with conventional weapons. Internally, the cabin is lined with AI-assisted support systems, life signs monitoring, augmented reality HUDs for the crew, 3D audio battlefield mapping, and a predictive maintenance interface. If any part is about to fail, the system warns the crew in advance or reroutes energy to maintain operation. Oh, and forget mechanical failures. Every major component is modular and 3D printable in the field using an onboard nanofabricator. Mobility is another shocker. With adaptive electric suspension, the CyberTitan can switch from traditional